Yay, we're live, guys. Who is hyped to talk about this beef? Dude, this isn't even raw beef. This is straight up cooked beef, like Minecraft cooked _ beef. Like, you know, the textures that Latenci doesn't edit because he just reuses all of the vanilla ones, only changing, like, you know, the armor and the swords. Maybe sometimes not even them, just reusing other ones. That kind of stuff, right? Because apparently he says I can't keep my mouth shut, so why should I try, right? If I'm not gonna keep my mouth shut, why should I do this? All right, let's see. Let's go onto Twitter and let's talk to the children. How shall we? Here, let's just pull up random stuff. I don't know. Oh yeah, people talking about content strikes. You're allowed to review stuff on YouTube. Let me get my stream chat open because I actually read it. But Latenci this is funny beef. Yo, Skier, such strutting drama. You're irrelevant. I don't care about my relevancy. That's the issue. I don't do YouTube for the fame. I do it because I spend it dozens of hours a week. Here, let me actually, I need to put this open on another monitor, but to make sure I don't leak anything that's not allowed to be public. But, like, oh, look at this. Guess what this mod is that I've been updating for the last, I don't know, what, month? Oh, yeah, Chroma HUD 3.0, which, by the way, is coming along really well. Hopefully we'll have a working beta for Discord in the next 2 days. It's going to have one done, but all this says, what's your point here? I do agree with you that the fact I'm not supporting. Yeah, but I'm not. That's the thing that I wasn't going to make the video. I didn't like. Why are you trying to clickbait your stream? Oh, because clickbaiting's super good and acceptable, right, Latenci? It's obviously acceptable, so might as well just do it. Skier clickbaiting, lol. Oh, wow, you just got fucking nightbotted. Get wrecked, kid. But here, let's see. All these projects. What other projects do I do for you guys that take a lot of my time that you never even see the real result of? Let's see. My website. What other stuff do I do? Keystrokes port. The Just Verb 200k mod. Render player optimizer. I haven't done that. Here's my nick manager. Meme cheat. Level head. Winter snow mod. That's something for that. Auto dab. High pixel memes. Yeah, that was. I never finished this mod, but it is going to be a good one. Bed Wars resource display, XP party mod, public API, that stuff, auto tip. Actually, I mean, I didn't even make auto tip. Nobody is saying you don't do anything to help the community. All you're doing is bring negativity. I'm bringing negativity because I don't like what you're doing. This is the situation that I was in when you were streaming. I don't like the way you're conducting yourself on the platform. That's why I'm going after you. Right? If you conducted yourself in the way that I found to be acceptable.
On Hypixel, and can you unblock Duppy on Twitter?
Sure. Actually, let me turn all this on. Let me turn that on. I would turn off air. I'm gonna turn off donations right now. How about you stay in your own lane? I could care less what you think. Yeah, but I have the right to go after you if I don't like how you're doing. That's kind of how that's kind of how free speech works. If I don't like how you're conducting yourself, I have the full right to display that, my feelings to my fans, showing evidence, because everything I said in that video was based on evidence, right? Let's do this experiment right now. How many FPS am I getting? Let's, actually, I have a local test to actually, measure FPS, but we'll do the, we'll just come on here to Skeppy's server. Oh, wrong server. We'll come on the Skeppy server right now, and we'll look north and just kind of chill here. Alright, oh, it's gonna, alright, we're getting about 200 FPS. Let me go and open Minecraft on vanilla and be like, vanilla Minecraft's an FPS boost, guys. I'm getting more FPS. Let me just start on 1.8.9 vanilla Minecraft latency. Let me show you this and prove to you that vanilla Minecraft's an FPS boost. Go use vanilla Minecraft, everybody. Why don't you go do that? How about that? Launch options. Oh, I made my Forge profile 1.8.9. Oh, whoops, wrong thing. 1.8.9. And yes, I'm mad about this because I don't like people misleading on developers' work. This is actual Skull project. Thank you to Kevin again. He's in the Discord with me for making it. Let's go on a random server and just see how many more FPS we're getting. All right, we have the Discord overlay. Which, by the way, I can bring this up here. I believe it's this one. Studio mode. Real quick. Because, you know. Oh, it's... I don't know. It's not working, but hopefully it does. But look. Oh my god. We're getting more FPS. We're getting 500 FPS. Vanilla Minecraft is an FPS boost client, guys. Oh my god, I'm getting twice as many FPS. Vanilla Minecraft is the best FPS boost client there is. Because I'm not comparing apples to oranges when I say it gives you more FPS latency. That's definitely not how coding works. One of them's not forged with the overhead. One of them's not MCP. Right?
Never friended me.
Oh, sorry. Here. And for the record, you don't... Here, I'll refund that donation. Message me on Twitter. Because I don't really do this for the money. And when people... Oh, let me go open Streamlabs. I don't even have that open. When people do stuff like this... I'm going to get on Hypixel with vanilla Minecraft and just show you that I'm getting way more FPS. Like, I tell them, hey, if your friend requests aren't enabled, I don't make them donate again. They do... I tell them to /privacy, right? Privacy... They come here, you turn on your friend request, you set it to minimum, and if that doesn't work, you contact me on Twitter later and I help you sort it out. That's a fair understanding, isn't it? Skier going off on him? I know I am, because I'm mad at him. I don't like the way he conducts himself on the platform. I don't like any of that. I don't like how he releases his mods under misleading and false information. Here, let's tweet this right now. Vanilla Minecraft is the best FPS boost. Here we go. I posted it on Twitter. Like, honestly, though, like, you're taking these works and you're just completely misrepresenting them. Okay, maybe they have some optimizations, like they can redo all the, quote, all the low-hanging fruit that there is in the game. Like the fact how strings are rendered as individual pieces of text, as individual characters, and a lot of things are just super inefficient. Never heard Skier talk like this. I want to push latency. I mean, don't push him because, like, actually physically touching someone's a felony. It's just not, I think it's actually a misdemeanor. But yeah, don't actually touch someone. Watch Arbaz's video, please. I don't know. Welp, Skier is live streaming about latency. You know it. Like, honestly, though. Like, the fact, I told you, let's, Harold, since you love leaking DMs, let's do this. Right? I don't like leaking DMs. Let's go up here to the fact when you acknowledged and understood that... Actually, I need to zoom in a little bit because I have a 4K monitor. So, you know, it's great, better for coding. Alright, ready? But you said you can't compare Laby to Forge. Completely different code. One is Forge, one is MCP. Use 1.12, you'll get like double the FPS, right? Oh, thank you, I didn't know that. So he acknowledges that now he knows that Forge and these clients are completely different code bases for what they run and why you get different performance overheads with them, right? And then again, he's like, well, people are tweeting me I'm getting better FPS. Because they're different code latency. They're not FPS boost. You're really telling me you're taking this. You're effectively just running vanilla with a few add-ons. Forge, you're running a complete event system with a massive overhead. Forge is designed for mod packs. Forge isn't designed for the best performance, right? There's a difference. Like, Illuminati confirmed. Yeah. Oh, here, let's go into your Hypixel duels here. Oh, actually, I need to friend this person. Sorry. There we go. I'll friend you, and I'll unblock you on Twitter. Actually, I'm just gonna write a reminder for myself because I'll tell him to DM me on Twitter, but I do not have them open. Here, unblock. On Twitter. I'll just put that on my desktop. I thought you both were cool. I thought we were cool until he backpedaled on what I was explaining to him. I was explaining to him that these clients don't do this. And he's like, well, no, they do. Oh, look, we're on vanilla here, so I'm not going to have any of the fixes to the game. Ouch, I took fall damage. But, like, Skier, all you want is attention. Make no sense. I don't want attention, alright? If I was fully serious about YouTube, I wouldn't be spending all of this time making mods, right? I do what I love, and I love coding, and I love making mods that make people happy. Alright, this dude's gonna absolutely destroy me here. But you can't tell a little FPS, CPS I get. So it's kind of a nice game. Technoblade never dies. I agree. He never does. I need to get this Discord overlay. It's really dumb how they just hook into OpenGL for that. But look, if you're just releasing someone else's work, which is nowhere on the internet, Why don't you look it up? Because if you look it up, if you actually spent 2 minutes in Googling Skull Project, which you said you tried to find... Here, let's do this. Let's get out of this duel, right? And let's Google Skull Project. Skull Project. What comes up? The first link. What's the first link? It's locked. Official website, temporary down, use redacted for capes. Oh, look. You can tell that it was purposefully taken down. It's not that, like, you couldn't find it or anything. You Google the first thing. How about that, Latenci? Like, redacted, known bugs, whatever. Like, I just don't understand Latenci. I think I just got... Please fend me. Alright, thank you for the donation. Because, like, people are like, oh my god, you're a sellout, you make so much money. Let me go to my Buycraft here, look. This is what? 28 days into the month? It took me until the 26th to break even for Levelhead. Because Levelhead, let me actually, before I release personal information, go, oh, whoops. Alright, Cloudflare. Just want to make sure I don't want to leak any personal information, unlike Latenci, who just, like, goes into everything immediately on stream, checks DMs, shows everything. Analytics. For the last month, maybe. Oh, this is my skier.exposed. Look at this. Look at the traffic to this thing. Just go shooting way up. Wonder why that is. Skier.club. Analytics. Last month. Let's wait for it to load. You know, because it takes a while. Alright, let's see. We can also go to... Let's see. Here. Graphs total. Look. Because if I totally cared about mods, I wouldn't be spending time. So much time on them to release almost a new mod every 2 weeks. And my mods, he said it takes him 3 to 5 hours working on public mod. Public mod will be done next. Alright, that's the next thing to be working on. He says he spends 3 to 5 hours working on his mods, right? I could spend 3 to 5 hours a day working on a mod for 3 weeks and still not have it done. Here's the Chroma HUD update. Let me show you guys, right? And he talks about, well, I do this for you guys. Like, look at the time you're putting into a Latenci. You say you put 3 to 5 hours into a pack bundle? Like, honestly, Latenci. Like, look, here it is. Let's, again, shout out to Purples, Tabor, for, I don't want to bring Tabor into this, but, like, shout out to Purples because he's been helping me with this mod. With some, like, cost transforming stuff. He doesn't have time to chill. Like, I don't make that much money. I don't see Latenci having hundreds of dollars a month in operating costs. I think Cloudflare should have loaded by now. Where is it? Hello. Cloudflare. Oh, where are you? I'm just gonna close some of these Chrome windows. Here it is. Look at how many requests this is. Do you have any idea how much it costs to run websites? Like at 10 million requests a day at peak? You need to code everything. Like, I would show you my my website, the code, but I don't want to accidentally leak anything that could be potential security risk. But like, look, I've spent so many hours. Like, I did an 8-hour coding stream where I was just making this, and I was doing one small feature. I wasn't putting some pixel textures together. I was writing instructions for the computer. Look at this. Edit. Here you go, edit. Here's the thing that I was working on. It's a color palette. You bring it here, you select the color that you want. Look at this. This is going to be in the Chroma HUD update. Do you guys like this? I don't think I've ever seen this in a Minecraft mod before. Where you have here, I want, I don't know, some lime green. Let's put it here and bring it to here. There we go. Now my Chroma HUD's that. How about that? Right? Any of these features. You can change the position. This is the all-new system. It makes it so you can change position super easily without it getting caught anywhere or anything like that. Right? I don't know. This is a pretty good system. You click save. It's now in that location. I think. Yep. Alright, that code works. Didn't actually test it, but... Hello, Time Dio. No, yeah, I'm angry. Because I don't like what he does. And I have the full right to be angry. Because as a developer, I know how much it sucks to have people literally ripping off your work. If you cared about the mod creators, Latenci, why don't you give them a cutting of the ad earnings? Or do you care about just buying all those super expensive clothes and then putting them on your Instagram? How about that? Or about the thing that say, oh, I want to go to church today? Good for you. Go to church. I know I sound like Tenebris, but, like, I'm just in a ranty mood right now because I'm mad. If you do that, go to church. Like, do I tell you, do I say that I volunteer for 3 hours every Sunday? Or not every Sunday. Like, probably it's 50% of Sundays I do. Like, I help children with special needs. That's what it is. Is there a link to the public COD? Not currently. This may have been a bad time to join the stream. Yeah, probably. Like, yeah, here's chroma HUD. Change position. I already showed that. Look at that coloring. Oh, that's weird. Oh, it's a different... I think it's a different color in here because he's, the change position probably uses the cached color. What? I don't know what's going on. I don't have any understanding what any of this is. I haven't fully debugged this. But, like, I could spend another 5 hours and not even be done with this mod. And you do your stuff, and you just make a one little, like, actual block pixel thing. Which, by the way, you admitted to reusing textures. Yes, I can reuse code, but not to the same extent you can reuse textures. Not to mention you only change, like, 3 items in it. Like what do you change? You change the Minecraft sword? Here, you change the Minecraft sword, you change the what? The diamond armor, the iron armor, that kind of stuff. That's what you change? Like, honestly. Like, you're saying that you do this for the fans. You want to do giveaways to give back. Like, I'm not turning on my face cam. First of all, I don't need to keep it plugged in, because as a smart person, you should never have your face cam plugged in, pointing to you all day. But, like, this is why I get mad. Because people... And the sheep are another issue. Everyone just... I was talking to 10A about this, and Purple's, like... Everyone's a sheep. I know people are just going to listen to me because of who I am. But, like, I want people making their own decisions. And he says that too. But so many people just see one thing and they don't... They just take the person's words for gospel. Which can help your cause in some spots. But it's not a fair justification. All my stuff in that video is based on fact. The fact that these clients don't boost FPS. Which, by the way, I just proved. Because vanilla Minecraft's a bigger FPS boost than those clients. Just use vanilla, guys. That's how you want your FPSs if you're not going to do an apples-to-apples comparison about actually boosting FPS. Why don't you just do it about that? Oh, I just got destroyed. Latenci. Yeah, Latenci said everything was cool with you. I thought it was cool till he straight up said, till we were talking about things and he acknowledged things like the packs don't boost FPS. And then he said in his stream that they do. Like, Latenci. Honestly. And please party me. Here, I'll party you. Thank you for the donation.
IGN.
Oh, you already donated? DM me on Twitter if you want a refund on that, because you have to double donate. But, like, I do that all the time. It's just, like, ridiculous. And, like, no one should be wishing other people to end their lives. That is just not okay. Things like that. Arbaz is better than all. I mean, Arbaz. You think... Is this the real Arbaz? Because I'm going to flame you if it is. I'll flame you so fucking hard. As well. Alright, it is the real Arbaz. Your name spoofer mod, dude. Why would you think that's a good idea? Why did you upload a trailer called Name Spoofer V2? As clickbait. It was straight up just titled The Name Spoofer V2. Like, good job. So, let's go down. Here we go. Like, I get it. I'm not the best YouTuber either. Thank you for the sponsor. But, like, the fact that I'm not perfect either. Alright. But, like, Latenci just wanted everything to be sorted out in the DM so that he didn't have any negative repercussions. When you fuck up, you could have negative repercussions. That's kind of just how life works, right? When you fuck up, bad things can happen to you. You can't just privately deal with everything under the hood and mean nothing happens. Is public mod already released? Raid me into those subs. I mean, I would say the same thing, Arbaz. I respect that. But, like, yeah, I'm mad. But it's just, like... Did you say fuck? Oh, yeah, by the way, everyone's saying, oh, I'm making mad ad revenue off this. I'm doing it for the money. I had the option to re-upload this video. Let's go to the my_videos page, and I'm getting stabbed. Just try not to have this happen. Oh, wow. All right, let's go to this. Let me show you this video. Ready? Ready? Demonetized. I could have re-uploaded it and not had to wait 3 days for it to get remonetized. But, like, I didn't. Because I don't really care that much about that. I'm not a money whore like you. I need to go buy Gucci and Supreme fucking clothing and brag about it on my Instagram. Make my fans like it so I can flex that school to everybody. Can you friend me? X.
XKP.
Oh. I heard Gucci and Supreme. Yeah. I mean, I should make a Gucci mod. Just rewrite everyone's skin. I can go into GIF mod right now and just... snipe the code for that. Oh yeah, because that's... Oh yeah. I have a... Is me reusing mods equivalent to... Reusing like a code base for a mod equivalent to him like reusing a pack? Yeah, let's give you moderator, because you've been a pretty good person through this. Add moderator. I mean, someone who actually has a brain. I can say that much. Oh. Alright, how about this? Let's do... admin 5 zig, I don't use 5 zig. Privacy. Friend request. Let's accept friend request privacy. Hi. Hello. Oh my god, okay, that's a lot of people. Ready? Thank you for the sponsor. Appreciate it. I actually do, because thank you for the super chat. Let's just accept as many of these as we can, right? Skier. Oh, yeah. Oh, yes. Just accept all these. Thank you. Hey, Skier, please invite me to the party. IGN is squeak. Also, I reckon Latenci should just go admitted that it doesn't boost FPS. Yeah, he knows that. But he doesn't want to admit it. Why would he admit it? It would prove my point that his titles are manipulative and misleading. Hooking up with a friend and party? Thank you. Actually, you've been a great dude for this as well. If you want a refund, just message me on Twitter and I'll be more than happy. Because, like, again, I don't do this for the money. I sell things because I don't want to lose money. There's a difference between doing it for the money and not wanting to lose money. Losing money is bad. And I was losing, I had a $500, I had to rewrite a lot of the code to be more efficient because I had a $500 hosting bill in December that I had to pay out of pocket for. With money that was coming from my AdSense, money that was coming from my stream donations, from Levelhead purchases. That's why I've had to start selling Levelhead. Like, I was originally just going to give out Levelhead as, like, custom Levelhead as something for free. But it was just, like, I hypothesized about it because that's kind of why I included it. Levelhead 3.0 had the feature since, like, August to have the server-side overriding. But it just got to the point where the mod was becoming so expensive, I had to update it to add features to make it more compelling to buy. So I don't have Levelhead on right now. Like, it's ridiculous. All right, we're gonna accept the last few here. And he's like, oh, just go make your money, do this. Like, it's not, you say, life's not about always making money. It's about making people happy. And that's what I do through my mods. You say, well, my packs do it too. But, like, there's a difference, right? When you're just manipulating your fans, let me go to your channel. Latenci, right here. Okay, let's pull this up again. If someone doesn't know who you are, because look, I'm not subscribed. How do I know this dude isn't FaZe Clan actually hacking on Hypixel? Oh, I want to see someone hacking. Plot twist, he's not actually hacking. He's just lying to you. Okay, you can say it's out of joking, and like, look, my channel, I've done a few things like that before, but like, to the extent that every single one of my titles is like that, I don't think so, dude. We're gonna go, skier.club/YT. Here we go. Oh, I just youtube.com /skierdub. Here we go. Right. Like, let's look at this, please. Can we? Hey, Skier, how mad are you? I'm on a 10 right now because I don't have respect for people like you. All right. People do not deserve when they lie to their fans like this and manipulate them into thinking that things are what they are not. I don't want your respect. Good. Like, look. I really don't see that many misleading things. Alright, this is kind of a joke. This is from the original Ace's, book, right? Because, you know, he has the clickbait book, which, by the way, he did a great job on. I would turn it on and show. I have it in my desk drawer, but I'm not. This is Lego Maestro fuel, dude. If Lego Maestro can make a 40-minute video and put, like, 6 mid-roll ads on it, good for him. Like, dude. Look, this is factual comboing Tabor twice. I did. Winter XP party, pickle trailer, auto dab update, MVP++ rank changes. The thumbnails and titles are specifically and exactly what are in the video. What do you want to do? Go after my coming clean to hacks video? When is that video from? Like 9 months ago? Sorry, 2 months ago. But like still, it's one video. And you can just tell by the thumbnail, it's not some, oh, I have vape on screen, look at me, I'm cheating. Which, by the way, again, violates Hypixel's terms of service on what you're allowed to do when you have YouTube rank. Here we go. I don't need, like, here, emod, showing off that mod, showing off this mod. Like this. Like, I just don't get you, Latenci. Getting a bunch of DMs from a few people. Let's show these, or just read them. Oh, I have 20 DMs. Oof, who are these from? This dude saying Latenci needs to change his ways. Let's see. Actually, I don't want to show DMs, sorry. Let's See, Arbash just messaged you. Minecraft YouTube is just your money and dip. Yeah, like, if I could be making mods that make me an absurd amount of money, right? And it wouldn't be that hard. Like, honestly, it just wouldn't be.
Hey SK1 or I'm a downloader level head mod and rename it head level and not gonna credit you. LLLL asterisk 1 week later asterisk me. It's my mod, I didn't steal SK1er's mod.
Alright, yeah. And then go get the license file within it.
PLZ party IGN JON3R.
Yeah, part of you. Go literally just go into actually I don't think I have a license level, but it would be, I believe, an MIT license is the one that I would do, right? Where your other people are allowed to use your stuff. Can I change stuff in here? Privacy. No, I can't change it in game. Leave latency alone. Like, and then I just don't get it, right? I don't want to make another video because I don't have the time to, because I have a chem test tomorrow that I need to study for. But like it's like, well, you can go your own path, but I don't like your path. How about that? And he could say, well, that's your own opinion, and I agree that's my own opinion, but I'm trying to get others to I'm showing others the reasons why I don't like the way that he's doing what he's doing. This drama's pointless. I mean, not really. I don't think it's very not pointless, because it shows just how people are misleading. Yes, he has stuff going on in his life, and I know what that is, Latenci. I know what went on in your life a few days ago, but that has nothing to do with this. Has been going on for weeks. You say, well, that's my type of content. So your content is built on misleading your viewers? That's a good YouTuber. Honestly, though, if your content is built on you misleading your viewers, you should really think twice about having a channel in the first place. Do you agree? That if your channel's built on manipulating your fans into believing that things are what they are 100% not? Go look at Fleepy's. Fleepy made some great meme art about this, right? Go look at that. Minecraft Boy 69 on Twitter. Right? I love you, Fleepy. Like, and I know people are just going to pick sides, and that's how arguments happen, but a lot of people are on my side, and a lot of people are on his side, and that's perfectly okay. I'm just showing my side, how I feel about it, and why I feel about it, so that maybe you guys can support my side of the story, or my side of the argument, to see why I feel how I do. Let's bring this up. Where's Fleepy? Look, where is it? Here, this. I'll link it in the stream chat here. Here you go. I mean, might as well rewrite the E-mod to just be L. Am I right?
I donated before, but I'm an idiot and I waited too long for the party request XD.
Here, what's your...
Have you heard yourself? Your stream is literally titled Latenci. How desperate are you? Grow up.
How desperate am I? Because I want to show his viewers what he's doing. How about that? Is there something wrong with wanting to show his viewers my opinion on him? Right? I am showing his viewers how I feel about him. That is a justified and accurate title. Unlike his titles. Because I'm actually talking about latency. I'm not talking about me hacking and rank Skywars. Do you see me b-hopping, hacking? Oh my god, guys, look, I'm clicking, I'm hacking. Which, by the way, I'm using vanilla Minecraft right now. Because, you know, I need that FPS boost. Need that FPS boost. Look at how many FPS I'm getting. Which, by the way, this is at 4K. This isn't even at 1080. 1080, it's just, the amount of FPS you get is magnified. Because of the way Minecraft is. Right? Like, and everyone's like, oh, I'm doing it for the attention. Like, yeah, alright. I don't do it for the attention, though. Like, if you look at my channel, look at when I upload. I upload mods. I don't do it for the money. I don't make dozens of 10-minute videos. Well, he doesn't either, but, like, I don't do this for the money. That's not what it's about. And he's like, well, go make your money. Like, dude. It's on, I just don't feel. Alright. Tenebra says mod. I'll give you, hold on. Here, let me go to channel. Hey, Ten, I want to pop in Discord. Alright, this is actually Tenebris. Since I think Kevin, since he's sick, is no longer talking, I might pop in Discord. So yeah, Kevin's muted up. Hey, 10, I want to talk? If you don't, it's fine. Oh wait, I think a meme just got posted. I don't leak DM, so I'm not gonna show it. But I think, hold up. Oh, okay, never mind. It's something else. It's a meme about something else. Oh no, no one will laugh. Yeah, like the thing is, I do YouTube because I like to release my mods, and he does too. Hey Max.
Join my server. It's on server IP.
I don't do server deals, unfortunately. Sorry. Like I would show you my business email, but I have some stuff in there that's confidential. 'Cause, you know, I actually do business. And he does too, but he just like owns some random servers. So yeah. It's like, oh yeah, guys, look at my server. Look at my server. It's Kohi. Kohi's back. Kohi's back. Look at my server. Oh my god, it's literally Kohi. No, it's not. But I told Purples about that, and he was like, what the fuck? The fact that Latency's using his work to try to get views. Oh, I'm fucked. All right. Like, I need to stress this. You guys shouldn't be, like, telling people to end their lives based on this. You should be accepting your opinion as what you think. And that's it. It's a default tag. Really? Yeah, default tags. Upload _ default. Oh, whoops, I spelled that wrong. It's a default tag. Look at this. You can change them right here. Look at my tags. My default tags that I can change. Skier Hypixel mods, Hypixel video, Hypixel Skywars, because that's typically what I do, and I modify these every single time that I upload. Here's, look, generic description. I have my Discord, my Twitter, stats website, auto tip, my texture pack, and the who makes my outro. No, please no, please no. Oh, okay.
You have literally hysteria in your voice crying about another Minecraft YouTuber. You are doing this for attention because he's doing far better than you, and we all know it.
Oh, okay. Yes,
Og
obviously.
in the chat, boys.
Yeah.
I just sponsored you. Can I get YT sponsor on your Discord, and can you peek at Tario?
The YT sponsor is done through the automatic integration for it. I cannot manually give it. Like, the system won't even let me. It's a good map. But, like, the fact that I'm showing that because I feel so strongly about my opinions on him. Because I don't like what he's doing. Right? He's making money off other people's work in a way that isn't very nice. If you really... Okay, you redacted the, actual download link. Why not give the ad earnings to the makers of Skull Project? How about that? Give 60% of the ad earnings to it, because that's the majority of the clickbait for that video. Private FPS Hypixel PvP client. They did the work that you're now misrepresenting, which you're posting in a way that they said they don't like. Kevin straight up said it. He doesn't like how you're posting it. So why don't you give him the ad earnings for it, Latency? Or do you just care about your money? Is that all you care about? You don't care about when anyone else done in their work. You just care about your own money, right? Because you don't care what kind of work it took for them over the months that they were developing that to make that mod. You just want to make it on your... You just want to put it out on your channel and make... If you're saying my voice is killing you, just leave my stream. Please. Like, I'm trying to prove my point. What is... Like, it's ridiculous. Deactivation. Me want mod. Real shit. Hey, deactivation. Oh, it's not the real Spifey, I don't think. Right? No. Spifey has a... I'm pretty sure I've modded him. No, yeah, it's not the real Spifey. But, like, the fact that he's just making money off other people's work, misrepresenting their product in a way. He could get a community guideline strike for this. Right? If the mod creators wanted to, they could fully strike his video because he is they could pull it off as that he's slandering their name by misrepresenting their product. He's making money off their product and describing it in a way they do not like and not crediting them at all. I don't see the link to their Hypixel forum posts, right? At the bare minimum, do some research. Google it. You'll find out. Latenci. Look at Twitter DM. I saw your DM, Arbaz. I'm not bringing you on right now. If you have something to say it in the DMs and I'll forward it. They should get terminated. I mean, I asked some people in the YouTube Hero program. They haven't gotten back to me. Thank you for that. Like, I asked some people in the, just in the actual YouTube Heroes program if his channel's in violations of the community guidelines. I'm pending their response because it's the weekend. But once they actually come back probably Monday morning, I'll know. Party meat. Thank you. Alright. Oh, this dude's a sweaty. Oh, I'm dead. And people are like, oh, you're shit at the game? Okay, that's not my channel. Right? On my I don't see my channel based off my ability to PvP. I'm gonna turn this off because this is getting really spammy. How do you link your Discord to your YT? You just Google it. There's some pretty good documentation. If you still need help, just like tag me in my Discord. Hello, Target 3D Gaming. That's a good YouTuber right there. Reduces the actual content.
Also, all the FPS aka frame per seconds talk makes me very angry. Cause maximum in Minecraft. Will
Yeah, Shotgun, don't do that.
260 cause he is developed in Java.
Like,
you can try it yourself. Don't know if it's Java, but it's Minecraft. Call it to return the value less than 3.
Yeah, but that can also be set to like -1, and then it just doesn't matter because like I can get way more than 280. Like, see, getting way more than that amount of FPS. Because I'm using the best FPS boost client here. Like, this is the best FPS boost client. Called Vanilla. How about that? That's a client. Why don't you go release Vanilla? Because I guarantee you Vanilla's going to get me more FPS. And Vanilla, if you threw on some of the MCP add-ons, not add-ons, modifications to things like the font renderer and worlds loading and player model rendering, you get like 4 times the FPS. That'd be the best client latency. Why don't you go release that? This is a Rickroll. I'm gonna... yeah, this is the best FPS boost mod. Right here. 10,000. 10,000% agree. You need to go drink some water. Yeah, I need to stay hydrated. I'm not rehydrated. I'm not hydrated right now. Why are you so mad? Because I don't like what he's doing, and what he's doing is not okay. In terms of the work that he's lying, how is lying to his fans that have gained, that if someone gains his trust, he lies to them. He is manipulating them. Why should that be acceptable in the community? Why is it also acceptable that, as Purple's brought up, which you should go read Purple's, oh my god. Purple's has a great tweet thread on it. How people like in Latenci are normalizing hacking in the community. That's why it's such a big issue, because everyone's like, oh, you're hacking? It's not that big of a deal. MCP is Minecraft coder packets. Just do some Googling on it, right? Alright, where is this dude? What client? Thank you for the donation. This is the vanilla client. Thank you for the donation. I appreciate it. Can we do lucky blocks? Sure. Arbaz, no. I can't. I skipped your message, Arbaz. There's no reason for you to bring up racial slurs in the donation messages on my stream. I don't know why you feel the need to do that at all. That's my money. Ask me on Twitter and I'll happily refund you. But yet again, as I said, these should be donations. They shouldn't be you paying to advertise your channel. Right? So you're saying a racial slur. Go tell people that on Twitter and see if your Twitter doesn't get suspended. How about that? They'll suspend your Twitter for it. It's not okay. Let's go check. Talk about Twitter. Let's go check Twitter. Let's see what the latest sheep post is. Pretty sure it can get you banned. You know, yeah, it'll get your Twitter suspended. If you say fuck off to someone on Twitter, that'll get your Twitter permanently. That'll get you permanently IP banned from Twitter, telling someone to fuck off. I think you're being mean to Latenci. I'm going off hard on him because he's abused it so far. So hard for so long. You're actually bad? Yeah, I don't say that I'm good at the game, do I? Oh, look, yeah, by the way, who are the winners of all your Optifine giveaways? Like, honestly. Oh, yeah, he deleted his tweets. Because it's like, I don't know. I'll just go through my DMs on stream like he does. Which, by the way, everyone say no, this isn't a rat. This is just an LSTM thing. It's machine learning. Right? I realized that after. That's why there's a black bar in the video. No, but yeah, like, vanilla, like, it's just completely misleading. And that's what makes me so upset. That he's lying and manipulating for his own monetary gain. It's like, well, keep your own stuff to yourself. I'm like, how is it okay that how is it okay that you just let this happen? Are you guys okay with people like Latenci going around manipulating his fans for money? I don't think it's okay. Misleading, yeah. Straight up misleading. Saying FPS boost, it's not boosting your FPS. Running an MCP edit isn't boosting your FPS. Is it? I want credit. Alright, fine. Everyone's subbed to Arbaz, right? It doesn't even say it here. Here, he did Arbaz. See this dude here? He made the pack. Look, I'm pretty sure I'm subscribed to him. Yeah, see, I'm subscribed to him. I'm like, Latenci. But, yeah. He made a lot of the pack with Apexay, and I like this because, you know, actual texture packs. Am I right? Let's get read DMs after. I don't know if I'm gonna get to all my DMs because I have like a
Hypixel IGN at Colonel Spam F if you don't like Latenci.
just there's no reason, but like, what? Oh, I copied the wrong thing. You're not allowed. All right, here's the deal. You need to do /privacy. Do /privacy on Hypixel.
Me on Levelhead. Thank you. My name is Ninja the Wiz.
What do you mean, can I whitelist? Levelhead doesn't have a whitelist. Very few of my mods have whitelists. And people are like, why can't you just add a whitelist? Is he streaming right now, apparently? Someone just said that. I don't know if I saw that as accurate. It's actual. He is. What's he saying? Like, this beef, he's trying to, like, put it off. Like, this is, like, personal shit to me that people are, like... Because if this happened to me, I would be super mad. If someone took my work, didn't care to contact me or even know who I am, and released it on a stream as a private client, I would be so mad. I would take legal action against him for doing this.
Talk to us when you have something new. You're not the first person to expose Latenci. Bitter Bean fans is people what like you and Arbaz are. He's making money and you're upset about it, and that's just that.
I'm not upset that he's making money, right? As I've said, I don't do this for the money. I would monetize way harder on everything. Do you have a copyright skier? No, but all my code is licensed to me. I have intellectual property rights to all of it. But I would, if he'd scam me out of my work like that and just started making money, he's like, well, I want to release it. Why are people, why don't people do this? Well, aren't mod creators happy that we're releasing it? I mean, yeah, the goal is that you make mods because you want to help people's lives, make things easier for them. but yet you're scamming them out of their work. How about that? Ever thought about that? Like, if you're making money off it and they're not, and you don't even tell them about it, how's that nice? Originally, no, I'm not watching on the stream. Oh, my dog's here. I really love you. Originally, he didn't even know. He's just like some private client because some friend links on a MediaFire. Google the name of it, Latenci. How hard is it for you to Google and figure some basic info out about it? I don't see how it's that hard at all. But I'm probably going to have to go in the next about 5 minutes because I have about 2 hours of chem studying to do. I don't have much homework though because I just had a bunch of tests Friday. But like, it's just ridiculous. Friend, you, thank you. Oh, whoops. What? Alright. Like, if you Google... If you Google...
Hypixel, cause you missed my request earlier. Charitably smiley.
Sorry, if you send me a Twitter DM and I'll refund your thing because you have to double donate. But like, it's ridiculous. I'm not quitting Apexay. Ever since Lego's news episode, I've gotten countless people. Yeah. Hey, really? How you doing today, Ruben? Like, I just don't understand him. Like, he takes someone's work. He doesn't care. He doesn't even Google it. He's like, oh, I didn't see it anywhere else. Did you Google? Yeah, the message is, do about 10 minutes of digging, and you'll find why it's removed very accurately. What? Like, can't Latenci get his YouTube rank? Yeah, he can. Completely get his YouTube rank. Yes. Latenci does not know the way. Latenci knows the way to getting people to not like him. That's for sure. But like, I know I'm not perfect. And I'm not saying that I'm perfect. I'm just showing flaws in things that other people are doing. And what I think is acceptable. And what I think is not acceptable. Like, check the Hypixel forums. It's gone, yeah? Oh, yeah. Sorry, this client with all this documentation and views on Twitter just on YouTube. Just kind of disappeared. Oh, no, it's obviously private. You say it's private, yet it has 150,000 views. Aren't you contradicting yourself there a little bit, Latenci? If it's quote private, it's not private then, right? If 150,000 people viewed it, how's it private? Seems pretty public to me. I don't know.
Suck my wee, add me on name MC.
Here, yeah. Oh, I skipped the donation. What happened to Skull Project? Skull Project was removed for violating Mojang's terms of service on what type of code you're allowed to distribute. You're not allowed to distribute original Minecraft code. You can only distribute changes to it. So when you install Forge with an installer, and you need to have ran original Minecraft first, because it needs to download Minecraft through their stuff, through the official Minecraft stuff, and then just modify it. Skull Project didn't do that. So, I mean, I'm pretty sure Latenci is legally, by distributing that, at some points, he was legally violating the law by distributing code that is illegal. Right? That's why there's only a question mark. I need to remove the in project with Skull in Discord with Skull Project developer. You just can't put it in the news or title your episodes. That hasn't happened yet. Yeah. So I might end the stream after this game unless I have anything else to say because I feel I have proved my points and I'll leave this video public. Alright.
Nigor.
Really funny there. But if you acknowledge something in the I'll leave it with this. If you acknowledge something in the DMs, that you acknowledge that these FPS things don't actually do it, why do you say it on stream? Why? Why do you say it the next day on stream? To be like, well, they do boost FPS. People are telling me. No, they're not. People are just... It's not, no. Because you're not comparing apples to apples. So they're not technically boosting your FPS in any way. Just not true. And Lego, when you cover this, I don't think you should leak DMs, honestly. Because that's just not a good situation. I wasn't going to leak them. I said it in my video yesterday. I don't want to leak them. And then mid-stream, he just, at 1 a.m. when I'm tired, he just goes on stream and just shows off all the DMs he wants. Because he's latency and rules don't apply to him. Thank you. And goodbye, latency.